Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mechanical keyboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. AULA F108 Pro. The AULA F108 Pro is a feature-rich full-size mechanical gaming keyboard designed for both performance and aesthetics. It boasts tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, offering flexibility for any setup. Equipped with hot-swappable mechanical switches, the F108 Pro supports easy switch customization without soldering, making it ideal for enthusiasts. The gasket-mounted structure combined with 5 layers of internal dampening foam ensures a soft, stable, and quiet typing experience. One of its standout features is the vibrant 1.14-inch TFT Smart Display, which allows users to view system stats, battery life, lighting effects, and even custom GIFs. The keyboard also features a multifunction volume knob, full N-key rollover, RGB side lighting, and durable PBT side printed keycaps for longevity and style. With an impressive 8000 mAh battery, it delivers long-lasting wireless use, while the software provides macro programming and lighting customization. Overall, the AULA F108 Pro is a versatile and stylish choice for gamers, coders, and productivity users alike. Number 2. SKYLOONG GK87 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK87 Pro is a premium tankless mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and enthusiasts who value both performance and customization. It features tri-mode connectivity with USB-C wired, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless options, powered by a stable Nordic chipset. The gasket-mounted design combined with multiple layers of sound-dampening foam delivers a soft, quiet, and satisfying, thoughtful typing experience. It supports hot-swappable switches for both 3-pin and 5-pin configurations, allowing users to customize their typing feel with ease. One of its standout features is the detachable 1.7-inch TFT Smart Display, which can show system info or custom animations. Additionally, the keyboard includes programmable knobs and macro functionality, letting users fine-tune their setup for gaming or productivity. With a robust 7200 mAh battery that can last for weeks and vibrant per-key RGB lighting that shines through high-quality PBT pudding keycaps, the GK87 Pro combines durability, aesthetics, and versatility in a compact form factor ideal for any workspace or gaming setup. Number 3. RK-R87 Pro. The RK-R87 Pro is a high-performance 75% mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and professionals seeking both functionality and aesthetics. Featuring a gasket-mounted structure, it offers a soft, cushioned typing experience with reduced keystroke noise. The keyboard supports tri-mode connectivity, USB-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, making it versatile for different setups. Equipped with hot-swappable switches, available in linear creamy or tactile brown, it allows easy customization without soldering. The south-facing RGB lighting shines through durable PBT keycaps with side-printed legends, enhancing both visibility and style. A detachable metal knob provides precise volume control, while QMK via support enables deep key mapping and macro programming. With a robust 6000 mAh battery offering extended wireless use, and features like foam dampening and stabilizer tuning, the R87 Pro delivers a premium typing experience in a compact and affordable form. Number 4. MCHOSE Jet 75. The MCHOSE Jet 75 is a high-performance 75% wired mechanical keyboard designed for competitive gaming and enthusiast use. It features cutting-edge Hall-effect magnetic switches with an ultra-fast 8000 Hz polling rate and just 0.1 milliseconds latency, offering adjustable actuation points from 0.1 mm to 3.4 mm in 0.01 mm increments. The gasket-mounted design, aluminum positioning plate, and layered dampening foam ensure a soft, refined typing experience with quiet key presses. The keyboard supports advanced functions such as rapid trigger, SOCD cleaning, mod tap, toggle layers, and dynamic keystroke programming, all easily configurable through the MCHOSE web-based software with onboard memory for saving settings. Though it lacks wireless connectivity, the Jet 75 delivers exceptional build quality and gaming performance at a budget-friendly price, often rivaling much more expensive models. It comes bundled with useful accessories like a keycap puller, switch puller, dust cover, and extra switches, making it a top-tier choice for gamers seeking precision, speed, and customization. Number 5. Royal Kludge RK R75. The Royal Kludge RK R75 is a compact 75% wireless mechanical keyboard that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, ideal for gamers and productivity users alike. Featuring a gasket-mounted design, it delivers a soft and satisfying keystroke experience enhanced by sound-dampening foam layers and silencer pads, producing a quiet, funky sound. The RK R75 supports hot-swappable switches, allowing users to easily customize their typing feel without soldering. It comes with pre-lubed linear, cream, switches and durable double-shot PBT keycaps with an MDA profile for long-lasting use and comfortable typing. Equipped with a stylish volume knob, vibrant RGB backlighting, and support for QMK via firmware, this keyboard allows advanced macro programming and key remapping. It also features tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, making it versatile across different devices. The RK R75's minimalist layout retains crucial keys like arrows and function keys while saving desk space, making it a great choice for users seeking a high-performance yet budget-friendly mechanical keyboard.